Good morning and Jai Hind. In this video, we are going to discuss one numerical from the exercises given at the back of the chapter Trial Balance and Error in the book of accountancy written by D.K. Goel. This is question number 5. Let us read the question. The following trial balance has been prepared by an inexperienced accountant. Redraft it in a correct form. So this is a trial balance which is given to us, and this one is incorrect. We have to make it correct, and we have to correct the entries on the debit and credit side. So let us read the name of the accounts which are given here. Land and building, and this is a debit balance, and this one is the correct entry. Plant and machinery, it is also a debit balance, this is a correct entry. Wages is a expense, so it should be a debit balance, and it is given here in a question. That means the correct entry is correct here also. Discount allowed, so discount allowed is a type of loss which a firm is incurring, so in that case loss should be a debit balance, but here the entry of discount allowed is credit. That's why, that means this is a wrong entry. We have to correct this. The 1620 rupees should be written on the debit side. Discount received, discount received is like an income for us, so it should be a credit balance. So in the new trial balance which we are going to make, we have to make the entry of discount received on the credit side. Next is purchases. Purchases is a debit balance, it is correct one. Sales is a credit balance, this one is also correct. Return inward, return inward means this is a sales return, and sales return should be a debit balance. Okay, so that means this one is wrong, we have to correct this. Return outward, okay, return outward means purchase return, and purchase return should be credit balance. So again this one is incorrect one, we have to correct this. Opening stock is a debit balance, it is correct. Debtors is a debit balance, it is correct. Creditors is a credit balance, this one is also correct. Carriage on sales, carriage on sales is also considered as an expense, so it should be on the debit side. We have to make it correct in our solution. Then next is carriage on purchase, it is an expense, it is on the debit side, that means it is correct one. Insurance, insurance is like an asset, and it should be on the debit side, that means it is correct one. General expenses, again these are on the debit side, debit balance. Cash in hand is an asset, and it should be on the debit balance, this one is also correct. Bank overdraft, bank overdraft is an liability, and it has to be on the credit hand side, so we have to correct this. Capital is on the credit hand side, this one is correct. Drawings are always on the debit side, so we have to bring this 4800 rupees on the debit hand side. So I think the question is clear to everyone. Now let us start the solution. See, this is the trial balance which I have prepared, and the same format is followed, just the amount or entries which we have seen in our question and which were incorrect, I have just uh, changed their position from debit to credit or credit to debit. So the entry of land and building was correct, there's no need for any changes. Plant and machinery was also debit balance as per the question, this entry was also correct, that means no changes are required here. Wages were also given on the debit balance, that one is correct. Discount allowed, discount allowed is given on the credit side in a question, and that was the incorrect entry, so I have corrected that and bring the 1620 rupees on the debit hand side, debit column. Discount received, In question, discount receipt was given on the debit side, but that was incorrect. So I have made the correction and bring 730 rupees to the credit side, credit column. Next, purchases. The entry of purchase was correct on the debit side. Sales, again the entry of sales was correct. Next was return inward. The entry of return inward was incorrect as it has been written on the credit side, but it should be written on the debit side. I have made the correction. I bring that on the debit hand side. Return outward entry was also incorrect as the entry was written on the debit side, but it should be on the credit side, so I have made the correction. Next is opening stock. Opening stock entry was correct as on the debit side. Debtor entry was also correct. Creditor entry was also correct, that is on the credit side. Carriage on sales was an expense and it should be on the debit hand side, so I have made the correction and bring 3280 rupees on the debit side. Then carriage on purchase, the entry was correct. Insurance entry was also correct. General expenses was also correct. Cash in hand is the correct one, while bank overdraft, that was incorrect because bank overdraft has to be written on the credit side, but it was present on the debit hand side, so I have make the correction and bring 12,100 rupees on the credit hand side. Next is capital entry, that was correct one. Drawings, I have bring drawings 4,800 rupees from credit side to debit side, as drawing is always be a debit balance. So after making all the corrections, I have totaled all the debit and credit hand side entries, and the total comes to be 4,30,200 rupees, and both the sides have equal or same amount. That means our trial balance is correct now. There is no error in our trial balance. With this, I am going to end my video. Thank you.